The Sendai Framework Monitor is a tool to monitor global, regional, and national progress on the Sendai Framework priorities and related SDG targets through country-reported data on established targets and indicators. Monitoring for Sendai Framework differs with that of the Hyogo Framework for Action on several key points. Previously, reporting was mostly qualitative and was heavily reliant on national disaster management organizations to write the reports, with self-assessed ratings on how well countries were progressing. The Sendai Framework Monitor blends qualitative reporting with more emphasis on quantitative reporting, making global comparisons on progress easier. Also, the Sendai Framework Monitor allows for multiple users to input data, for example, relevant personnel from different ministries or even individuals from relevant NGOs if the country wishes to. Furthermore, the Hyogo Framework did not have strong links to the reporting of progress of the Millennium Development Goals, while the Sendai Framework Monitor directly connects data inputted into its system to the SDG reporting system, negating the need to report the same data twice to different agencies. During the working group meeting in 2016, Japan presented an informal assessment on their readiness to report on the indicators of the Sendai Framework, including data availability. Upon encouraging member states to undertake the same exercise, voluntary data readiness reviews were conducted globally by UNISDR in early 2017. 87 countries contributed to this assessment globally, with 25 from the Asia and Pacific region. The key findings from this review was that no country in the world currently has all the data required, and no country expressed that all data was available or feasible for them. Looking at this graph on data availability by targets, only 84% of countries have data on basic information regarding deaths and missing persons, while Target F is a particular challenge to most countries, as data of this sort has often never been collected and requires coordination with various national and international stakeholders. This review process makes it clear that member states are all in the same boat and should start by simply reporting the data that they do have, while working to strengthen their damage and loss data collection.